If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. In QuickBooks, you will most often create employee paychecks by using the Scheduled Payroll feature. However, if needed, you can also print unscheduled employee paychecks as well as termination paychecks. Before you start a scheduled payroll, however, you must first create at least one payroll schedule. You can create and modify payroll schedules by selecting Employees, Add or Edit Payroll Schedules from the menu bar. Doing this then opens the payroll schedule list. To create a new payroll schedule, click the Payroll Schedule button in the lower left corner of the list window, and then choose the New command. In the new Payroll Schedule window, enter a name for the payroll schedule into the What do you want to name this payroll schedule field. Use the Next Fields drop-down to select the frequency with which this payroll will recur. After that, use the What is the pay period end date calendar selector to select the final date in the pay period. Use the What date should appear on paychecks for this pay period calendar selector to select the paycheck date for the payroll. If you choose to create a semi-monthly or monthly payroll, you may also need to answer a few more date-related questions in this screen. After you have entered the payroll schedule information, click the OK button. Then follow the on-screen prompts to assign employees with the same payroll frequency to the selected payroll schedule. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.